Now let's start a new topic, that is very important topic, combining data sets. Okay, combining data sets. There are three methods in which we can combine the data sets. One is called concatenation. Second is called interleaving. And third is called merging. First, let us understand what is this combining data sets. So let's say I have a data set male. So this data set name is male. So it has name, sex, Adam, male, Sam, male. Okay, and I have a different data set, other data set called female. It has Jane, sorry, name and sex, same variables, name and sex. So it has Jane, female, Rose, female, and one more record, Lily, female. Okay, so these are two different data sets. Now I want to combine these data sets, two data sets. Okay, and here we have name and name. So name and sex in my data set, I want Adam male, then Sam male. So in the same data set, I want the information of females also. So Jane female, Rose female, and Lily female. Okay, so what did I do? I have attached the two data sets. So two different data sets became one data set now. So this is the male information and this is the female information. Okay, so this type of combining is called concatenation, the first method. Okay, so what will concatenation do? It will attach the data sets one above the other. So this is male data set, this is female data set. Okay, so we are attaching one above the other. This is called concatenation. So let's see how to do that. First topic is concatenation. The meaning of concatenation is to attach. Concatenate means to attach. Okay, and concatenation attaches the data sets one above the other. Okay, let's see an example. Data male, name and sex. Name we have Adam male, Sam male. I'm copying the same. This is female data set. Name. So we have Jane female, Rose female, and Lily female. Okay, so let's run it. So log is fine, and there are two different data sets. One is male, okay, with two observations, and one is female with two observations. Okay, see here we have same name, same variables, name and name, sex and sex. Okay, and what is the length of these variables? 8, right? By default I did not write any length statement, so it is 8. To concatenate these data sets, I'll close this. How How do we concatenate? Simply in set statement, you concatenate dataset 1, dataset 2, dataset 3. So you can concatenate not just two. So you can concatenate n number of datasets. There is no limit. Okay. Write set statement and write all the datasets which you want to concatenate. So data male underscore female set male female. Earlier what would we do? Sorry, in earlier classes we have used set SAS dot class, right? We have kept only one data set in set statement. Now what we are doing, this is male data set, okay, and this is female data set. Male data set, female data set. We have written two data set names in set, and we are creating a single data set called male underscore female. So now how will this data set get created? I'll tell you. First, so whenever we combine the data sets, we have written set male female, right? So this is the male data set and this is the female data set first, and we are creating a data set called male underscore female. So male underscore female data set, it should have variables first, right? So it will check variables are coming from both the data sets. So first data set have name, so name variable will be created. It is 8 because we have written male, right? So set male first. So from first male data set the variables will come. So this is a character variable, length is 8. Then we have sex variable in male data set, which is character and length 8. Then from the second data set, so we have name, but it is already there with the same length. Okay, so we won't have multiple, I mean in a single data set we cannot have two variables with same name. So there is a data set, we have id variable and there is one more id variable. This will not happen in SAS. So we cannot create two variables with same name in one data set. So this name is already there and this sex variable is already there in the data sets. Then the data will be read. So first the data from male dataset will be read because in set we are writing male first, this dataset first. So Adam will go under name. So these are the two variables we have. So first under name we have Adam, then space we have, under sex we have male, then Sam male. Okay, then so we have written set male and female, right? So male data set is completed, so it read all the records from male data set. Now it have to read female data set. So in female data set the variables are already created. So under name we have Jane, so the same name variable Jane will get attached, and sex female, then Rose female, Lily female. Okay, so all the observations from the second data set are also read, right? Then it will stop and this is the output data set. Okay, so let's run it. So male underscore female, these two records are coming from male data set, these three records are coming from female data sets. So the data is attached one above the other. So this is the first female male data set, right? So below that the female data set got attached. Now what happens if I write male female 1, female male? What will be my first record here?
Female.
Jane. Yeah, this one, Jane. So this is the first observation, second and third. So after completion of this, the male data will be read. So it depends on the order in which we put the data set names. So set female and male, let's run it, male female 1. See, now we have female data set up and male data set down. Okay, so this is concatenation.
Ranjit, one small question.
Yes,
Example, when you are combining two data sets,
yes,
they should have the same, what you say, variable names.
variables, yes.
Okay, it should not have male should not have three columns, and female should
No, no,
two
it
columns.
can have,
It
it
can
can
have.
have.
Okay.
So this example, we are, when we have common variable names, so we have name and sex, we have name and sex, the concatenation will be in this way. So next, I'll in the next example, I'll show that. So what happens if we have different variables?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Yes. So if we have the same, because we have same variables, so the data is getting attached one above the other. Now let's see next example. Let's say data age. Put name, sex, and age variable. Aligns name Adam, male, and age 20. Sam, male 25. Then we have one more data set, data place. File data length. So input name, sex, place. This is a character variable. Aligns Jane, female, Delhi. Rose, female, Chennai. Delhi, female, Pune. Okay. So this is one more data set. Now, if we concatenate this data set, so if I write set, this is age and place, set age and place. Okay. So how SAS process this? First, we have written age and set place, right? So all the variables from age data set will come. So name, character variable 8, sex, character and 8, age, numeric, and default the length will be 8. Okay, and we have written set age and place also. So from place we will have name, which is already there, sex, which is already there, and additionally we have a variable called place. So place variable will be created here. And what is the length? So it is a character variable 8. So in our output data set, these are the variables that we have. Then we have written set age and place. So first the data from age variable, age data set will be read. So it is going to read this Adam under name, Adam. Then under sex, male, male, age 20, age 20. Do we have place variable in age data set? No, right? There is no place variable. So the place will be blank for Adam. Then Sam, male, under sex variable, age 25. Does Sam has any place information? So this data set do not have place information, right? So this place will be blank. So this is the first data set, right? Adam male 20, Sam male 25. Then, so the data is read from the second data set. So under name we have Jane, right? Name Jane. So name Jane. Sex we have female. So sex female. Do we have age here for Jane? There is no age variable in place, right? So it will be blank. And how the missing numeric values are represented? How do we
The dots
represent?
are period.
Yes, it is represented by a dot. See, this is a character variable and it is missing, so it is represented by a blank. But age is a numeric variable, it will be represented by a dot or period. Then place, Delhi. So place information, Jane has the place information, so Delhi. Then the second name, Rose, female. There is no age, right? So it will be dot again and Chennai. And Lily, female, dot, period, Pune. Okay. So yes. So this is the first data set, age data set. Sorry. Yeah, age data set which do not have place information. So that place information is blank here. And this is the second data set which do not have age information, right? So this place data set do not have age information. So age is blank for this data set. Okay. So whenever we concatenate the data sets with different variables, see, if the data set has common variables, that will be attached one above the other. One second. Yeah. So name from this data set will be attached in this way. Sex is also common. So sex from one data set, from the second data set, it will attach one above the other. So here we have age here in only one data set. So we'll have age. This will be blank. And we have place variable. So here in the first data set it is blank and here we have place information. So in the first data set we do not have place information. So this is blank. In the second data set we do not have age information. So this is blank. So they will not be attached one above the other. So age is different variable, place is a different variable. If we have the same variables, only then the data will be attached one above the other. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, let's run it. Data, age, age and place. Oh no, age underscore place. Set age. So no need to create this. So you can create any dataset name, ABC, XYZ, anything is fine. Age, place. So first all the data from age will be read, then all the data from place dataset will be read. So ABC, see we have Adam, Sam, male, age 20, 25. Place is blank. And Jane, female, Delhi, Chennai, Pune, but the age is blank. Okay. So what if I write place and age? So what will be the order of the variables? See, now I have written age and place. So in my data set I have name, sex, age and place variables. So what if I write set, place, then age? What will be the variables?
The variables will be same, but the observations will be the place will come the first and the age will come the next.
Correct. what will be the order of the variables? Will it be the same order? Will I have name, then sex, then age and place? Is this the
No, I
same
guess
order?
it will
Place and age.
place and age.
Yeah, so the order will change. See, if I write place and age, first the data from this data set will be read. First the variables will be created, right? So name, sex, place. Next, this data set will be read. So name we already have it, sex we already have it. The additional variable is age. Okay, and here Jane female Delhi, Rose female Chennai, Lily female Pune. So here age will be missing. It is a numeric variable. We will have dots. And the second data Adam male 20. This will be blank. And Sam male blank 25. So this is our data set. So this is the first data set and this is the second data set. Okay, the order of the variables will also change. Previously it was age and place, now it will be place and age. So instead of ABC, I'll write XYZ, place, and after that I'll write, what was the data set? Age. So XYZ, see, we have place variable, then age variable. So first data set is place we are reading. So age information is missing. Second data set is age data set, their place is missing. So if there are common variables, then they will be attached one above the other. Okay. So this is concatenation of different types of variables. So in the example one, same variables. In example two, we have different variables. Okay. So there are some more examples. So I'll tell you in tomorrow's class. So now here we are concatenating these two data sets, right? So name, here we have name. So in both the data sets we have name, so name variable. So here the length is 8 and here also the length is 8, character variable. What if here the length is 15 and here the length is only 8? What happens if we concatenate these two data sets? Okay, and say we have age here, which is a numeric variable. Okay, in one more data set, let's say we have age but it is a character variable. What happens if we concatenate this type of data? So two or three more examples we will see. Okay, so here the variables are same, but and even the attributes are same, right? So this is a character variable, this is a character variable, type is character, length is 8, length is 8. Okay, so what if the type is different and the length is different? What issues we face when we concatenate the variables with different attributes? So that we will see, and then the concatenation topic will be done. So after that, so if you understand concatenation well, so interleaving is same as concatenation, only thing changes, the data will be sorted first, then we are going to concatenate the data. So both are similar. Okay, and merging is a bit something different. So it will attach the data sets horizontally. Now we are attaching vertically, right, one above the other. The merging will attach horizontally, and this is the most important topic in this topic. This is the most important part, merging. And we have different types of merging. So we will complete concatenation and interleaving in tomorrow's class. Then we will see merging. So merging might take two classes because it is very important and there are multiple types of merging. Okay, so after this combining data sets, so we will start one more topic called functions. So we have character functions, numeric functions, date functions, okay, and some special functions also. So after that we will see some more statements like attrib, retain, then the data step will be completed. Okay, so after that we will start the procedures. So yeah, so please revise this. So I'll update the notes first. I'll save it.